Hi there! Discover the Ediesi foam mats designed to protect and enhance your gym or home space. This set includes 18 pieces measuring 30 by 30 centimeters with 1 centimeter thickness, plus 27 edge pieces for perfect fitting. Made from durable EVA rubber, these mats offer excellent soundproofing, cushioning, heat insulation, and are completely waterproof. They are easy to install, customizable by cutting, and great for creating safe play areas or protecting pool bases. Tested for safety, these mats are free from BPA and harmful chemicals, ensuring a healthy environment. With a sleek, modern design, they provide superior comfort and stability during any workout. Plus, Ediesi stands behind their product with a full European warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.